Hello, everyone. My name is Aramal Hassan. I'm leading the business intelligence team at SYSTRONICS. Today, I'm going to talk about business intelligence, and in particular, I will demonstrate the Sage Enterprise Intelligence application and show you how it can be helpful in your business. And in the end, I will answer the questions from the audience. And nowadays, every company has some sort of ERP, CRM, or other solution in place to collect data from a variety of sources and systems. And data is a valuable asset for every company, and the challenge today is to take advantage and to efficiently interpret all the data that is being captured. Business intelligence is a technology that allows to transform that complex, fragmented data into meaningful information that has a real decision-making power, and it allows you to take appropriate actions quickly, confidently, and efficiently. So, for example, your organization is using an ERP system to enter invoices, follow up the collection based on these transactions, and basically ERP facilitates your day-to-day operation. And once the invoices are paid, all the data stays in the system without any further use. While your organization can use some BI tool, and that tool will use the historical data and give you a lot of important information. For example, which customers buy more in which regions, what is the seasonal trending of different product sales, and a lot more. So being able to get all this information quickly will help you to make better informed decisions and improve your business in these hard times of economic recession. There are multiple BI solutions from various vendors available on the market. And Sage also provides BI solutions. You may be familiar with one of the solutions called Sage Intelligence. It is a module available in the Sage 300 desktop version, and it generates dashboards and reports in Excel. But today I'm going to present you another tool from Sage. It is called Sage Enterprise Intelligence. So Sage Enterprise Intelligence is an innovative, intuitive, self-service business intelligence and data management solution to empower users to visualize, analyze, and report on real-time enterprise data. It is fully integrated with Sage 300 ERP, Sage 300, and other systems from Sage family, and not only. It can access multiple data sources, collect data from all your systems, and present enterprise-wide data throughout consolidations. So it provides business users, managers, and executives with a simple tool to access and analyze enterprise data with ease. Now let's go to the application, and I'll show you how to do analysis with this tool. So here I have the accounts receivable dashboard. And in general, dashboards combine information from multiple modules into one screen and then help you to get insight in the shortest possible time. So let's see how this AR dashboard can help me with, for example, money collections. Looking at the dashboard, I immediately see that we have almost 50,000 overdue amount to collect. And this overdue amount is, most of this amount is due for more than 4 months. And this is a concerning for us. We need to take some actions. And one of the actions would be to see which of the salesperson have to collect more. And here we see that Bill has the most amount to collect. We can also filter and see which are the customers that owe to Bill. So here we see on the left hand that Bargain Mart is the customer who owes the most money. So the first step, I think, would be to ask Bill to contact this customer and see what's the issue with the payments. What else? So we see the top 5 customers by invoice. And here I see that Mr. Roland Black is the top customer for us. And I want to see what's the situation with this customer. So I will filter my dashboard to show only Mr. Ronald Black's information. And I see that he has 2,000 amount overdue for less than a month. So probably for the moment, I will not worry much. Also, this dashboard shows me the 5 customers by sales profit point of view. And here again, Mr. Ronald Black is the top customer we are making profit of. So as you see, it's very quick to see from a dashboard this kind of information. And with a standard report in Sage 300, I would have to go to different modules, to accounts receivable, to order entry, to print some reports and collect this data. And while here, I see all the information in one place, and I can easily filter and see particular information. Now I'm curious of which product is selling the best. And to find that out, I will go to one of the readily available views and do my analysis there. So I'll open sales by item view. So this worksheet shows me detailed sales information about the product. And I want to analyze the profit. I don't need all the columns, so I can easily remove what I don't need for the moment. And leave only the profit related to columns. I want to find the top product here. So I will sort my data by sales profit. And here quickly I see that most profits I make from sale of fluorescent desk lamps. And also I want to quickly see which are the products that have made profit less than 50%. I can easily highlight that type of data with some color formatting. And I will choose to highlight the items which made less than 50% profit with red, for example. And also I will highlight the ones which made more profit with green. So here we go. So with the highlighted information, I can quickly spot that 6 products are making less profit than the others. And I'll ask the sales team to take some actions and analyze what's the issue with these 6 items. And here I can make also comparison. For example, I want to compare the profit for 2 years, for the past year and the current year. For that, I will just pivot the information by fiscal year. And the information will be broken into 2 parts. First column will show data for 2019, and the second column will show for 2020. And this way, I can quickly compare my information for each of the products. So it's easy to navigate, as you see, and it's easy to rearrange your data and highlight information. So simple drag and drop sometimes are enough to do some analysis. Now I will do one more thing. The management has requested me for my recommendation to award a bonus to one of the salespeople. And I need to find out the performance of salespeople and suggest my candidate. For that, I will use the same ready view and do a different analysis here. This time I will analyze the revenue. So I will remove all the extra columns and will leave only the net sale amount. And also I will use a visualization because it's easier to find what I'm looking for when I have a visualization. And the tool suggests a wide choice of different visualizations, not only the spreadsheet, but also pie charts, line charts, maps. In this case, I will use a vertical bar chart. And since I'm interested in salesperson performance, I will group my data by salesperson. So I'll just drag and drop the column here, and the information immediately will be grouped by salesperson. Also, I will filter to show only the first 3 top salespersons by this revenue amount. Here we go. I see the top 3 salespersons. And with this visualization, I quickly see that Bill is making the most revenue compared to the others. And probably he will be the best candidate to get the bonus. But before making the final decision, I want to add this chart to my AR dashboard and to see a bigger picture, like to make sure that really I want to recommend Bill. So what I do, I will save this view. And I will quickly edit on the dashboard. I'm going back to my AR dashboard. So I will quickly make a space for it. And just drag the new visual here. So really the steps are very simple. And I have a new visual on my dashboard. And if I look on a wider picture, I will see that while Bill is making the most revenue, he has also the most of the money, almost most part of that money to collect still. So we need to find out what's the reason, and maybe while we are finding that what's the issue, we can also consider other salespersons for the bonus. Okay, before I share my final decision, I forgot, I just remembered that we have 2 companies, and it would be correct if I double check my final decision based on the 2 companies. I have set up here a consolidated environment, and I will switch to it. Now I see the overall performance of our salespeople based on the total figures of both companies. And now I see that actually Bill is making the most revenue, and though he has 40,000 to collect yet, but anyway, overall he has made the most revenue. So my final decision will be to recommend Bill for the bonus. So I'll share this recommendation with the management board, and I will send an email to them. So I can do it directly from the application. And also I will attach the dashboard with my comment highlight to my email. Okay, the email is sent, and members of the management board will receive this email. They will receive my comment and the dashboard as an attachment. So as you saw, in 10 minutes, with the help of these dashboards and the tool, I was able to find so much valuable information about collections, product profitability, salesperson's performance. And actually, you can do similar analysis relevant to your job roles as well. In your a number of dashboards are readily available from SYSTRONICS, and these dashboards focus on information specific to different roles in the organization. And these dashboards include C-level people and controllers, managers, sales information, and other roles as well. Now let me summarize the key benefits that Sage Enterprise Intelligence brings to your business. So as you saw, this tool brings a new, fast, and easy way to do the reporting. So if in traditional reporting systems, most of the time is spent on simply locating and preparing the data for the report, with BI tools, you have the real-time data and you can concentrate your time on the analysis. And you can slice and dice your information from different perspectives. You can quickly highlight important KPIs, do the comparisons easily. And in most of the cases, you just need to drag and drop, and no technical complications are here. Sage Enterprise Intelligence accelerates the distribution of the information across the organization. It has user-friendly options to subscribe and to receive the report, and users can themselves schedule the reports and also define some conditions on which cases they want to receive the report. And in most of the cases, there is no need to rely on IT department on managing this reporting. Also, the tool has a role level and user level security. So if you share the same dashboard with multiple members of your team, every team member will see the information that is related to their job role. Also, the tool has the web interface, which is supported by most of the browsers and mobile devices. It has also an Excel add-in, so you can access the data through Excel and do analysis there also. And with its help, you do your analysis based on real-time data anywhere, at any time you want. And since Sage Enterprise Intelligence is a native solution from Sage, it is fully integrated with Sage 300, Sage CRM, and other systems. It provides tools to consolidate your data through multiple sources and multiple databases. And you can see consolidation of your historical data and current data that is in production. So at the end of the day, you have a single tool which saves your time and reduces the costs. So if you are interested in taking advantage of using Sage Enterprise Intelligence and getting all the benefits to improve your business, SYSTRONICS is here to help you to build this new data culture in your organization. We will help to implement the tool in your company and to integrate it with Sage 300, CRM, and other systems that you use. For staff on all the features and tools, we will create and customize reports and dashboards for you so that everyone in your company will take the most value out of the available data. And while you are working on introducing this new approach of working with data, we are here to support you with any questions you have. For more details, you can visit our website, systronics.ai. And on our website, from the menu, you can access the section for business intelligence, and here get information about the tools that we provide. And also, you can contact us, and we can arrange separate meetings and detailed demos for you whenever you require. So with this, I will complete the presentation, and we can move to the questions if there are any.
Thank you, Zara. We already have 2 questions. I will read the first one, which is, we have archived all data and it is not in the current company that is in production. Can we create reports for that archived data?
Yes, sure. So as I mentioned, the tool provides a possibility to consolidate data. And if you have your information in two places, the old information in an archive database and you have a live database in production, it is possible to consolidate both, and your reports will show the overall picture which you had with the historical data as well.
Okay, thank you. And the second question is, we use Sage 300 and Sage CRM. Can we have reports from both systems?
Yes, so the consolidation is not only on the same system. So if you have two systems and even you have other systems as well, you can connect to multiple systems and your reports will show in one place the information that is coming from all of them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.